y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be getting ready and I'm gonna try doing like the ultimate summer look. I'm gonna be giving you guys 2 outfits, including like the hair, the makeup, the jewelry, everything. Just basically getting ready for summer because it is approaching. So yeah, let's get this started. If you see me looking over here, my mirror is over here, but I'm just gonna moisturize my face first. I'm using vitamin E cream. You could use any moisturizer that you wish. I'm kind of running out, but I'm gonna be using the Milani Prime Protect Face Primer. It has SPF 30 in it, and if you are gonna actually go out, I do suggest you put like an actual face sunscreen, but I'm not gonna like really go out. I'm just filming and gonna, yeah. I love this primer because it leaves you so dewy, and I love looking like dewy and glowing for summer. So anyways, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then we'll be back. I don't do it on camera because everybody does theirs differently, blah blah blah. Why does that look like that? So I kind of fixed it, but whatever, it doesn't look as harsh as it does in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and get to the face. So for foundation, I don't want anything heavy because it is hot. I want to feel light. So I'm gonna be mixing the Dream BB Fresh Cream by Maybelline, and I'll be mixing that with the Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation in 220. So when I apply it, I'm gonna try applying more BB cream than actual foundation, but I will be mixing the two, so you'll just see. I'll do that, a dot, 2 dots, and a dot, and then whatever here. I'll do like one line. This foundation is medium coverage, so I like that. I like full coverage, but not for the look we're going for. Okay, now that we got that blended, I'm gonna apply concealer. I'm using the LA Girls Pro Concealer in Yellow Corrector, and I'm just gonna put a little bit right here, and a little bit on my eyelids, the chin, the nose, like that, and that's it. Now we're gonna blend with the Beauty Blender. I am gonna set my concealer under my eyes, but just a tiny bit, you guys. Like, you really want to make sure you don't really want to add so much setting powder because then you're gonna look matte. So I'm just gonna use the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in light. You see, like just right there where it would crease, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids because I don't like when they crease. Okay, now we're gonna bronze everything up. I'm gonna be using the Light Medium Contour Kit by Anastasia and this Morphe brush. And literally, I just like mix all of them, top off the excess. Be gentle and light. You don't want to be harsh because then it won't blend well. I'm gonna finish blending right now, but I just wanted to add that I do like adding a little bit on my temples. Not too much, just enough to give you some more like color. For blush, I'm using this Sephora blush cream. It is in Rose Glow, and I'm just gonna apply it a little bit because it is pigmented. We don't want to look too rosy. So I just like add a little bit, blend, and if I want more, I will. But I love that it's cream because it's not powder, so you won't look powdery. You're gonna look dewy. I just put it like on the apples of my cheeks, and then from there I start blending it upwards. And for highlight, I'm using the Tarte Chrome Paint. It says Shadow Pop, but I'm gonna use it as highlight. I'm not gonna apply too much, just like a little bit. Right here. My nose, a little bit. I'm just going everywhere. I like bringing it upwards, almost like eyeshadow. To blend, I'm just getting a bigger brush. I'm just gonna blend everything out. I was debating whether or not I should wear lashes, so you could definitely not wear some. But I want to be extra and wear some. But I'm gonna try getting some really natural ones, like some that don't look dramatic, like just like natural flowy. It looks like I got extensions, but really they're fake lashes type of lashes. So these are the eyelashes I put on. They're the Morphe ones. I forgot the name, but they're definitely on my haul video. Yeah. Before we set our face, it's time for the lips. So I'm using the Sugar Brush Sugar Coat lipstick by Tarte in Cupcake. That was a mouthful of words. So if you don't want to wear this color, you could definitely go with like a really red color, like a pinkish, reddish, neutral red color or something. But we're gonna put this on. I just like blending everything at last with the foundation brush before I set, and then I'm ready to set. For setting spray though, I'm gonna be using the NYX Dewy Finish. Now that we finished the makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up my curling iron, and I will be back with what to do next. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair down, and it's a little bit of a mess, obviously, but I'm gonna part it right here, and I'm gonna brush it. We want our hairstyle to be cute, but to be done in a matter of like 5 minutes, even though I know it won't take me 5 minutes with this head of hair. Head full of hair, whatever. Like literally, I'm gonna just grab a big chunk. I'm gonna curl facing outside of my hair, like this. I'm gonna hold it for like 10 seconds. And then let go of it. You don't want it to be exactly like tight curls. I'm trying to go for like a kind of a wavy look. What is that? Being like, oh, that's dumb. So as we do, as I go through more pieces of my hair, I'm gonna be alternating the direction I curl it. So like one will be outside, the other will be inside. And yeah, you just want it to be all messy, different, crazy. Like you don't want it to be perfect. So like I'm gonna do one more facing outside, and then I'll do the other facing in. I'll do it inside, and then I'm gonna just alternate the directions throughout my entire hair. Okay, now this is what it looks like. I just go crazy with it. And then I'm gonna go get hairspray and apply a little bit. Just kind of play with it, make it loose. Okay, I applied hairspray. Now if you want, you could definitely just leave it like this, but I'm gonna try to spice it up. I have this little Now that we got our hair and makeup done, it's time for the outfit, so let's get to it. I made 2 outfits. This one is for my girls who aren't a big fan of shorts, but my jeans are from Melanie G Shop. They're only located in Arizona, but I believe you can order them online from anywhere. My tube top, I made it myself. It used to be a skirt. My necklace is thrifted, and my sandals are from Steve Madden, and my watch is Michael Kors. This outfit's a little bit tricky only because everything is basically DIY. The shorts were my sister's and they actually used to be jeans. The belt is a gift from my sister. The shirt, I DIY'd it. It used to be a really ugly shirt. I cropped it, added the straps. The necklace is a best friend necklace. The glasses are from Tilly's and the earrings are most likely my mom's. So that was it for today's video. I really hope I inspired you guys to like be ready for summer. I give you guys some outfits, a makeup, a hair. I'm hoping you guys got whatever from it. You guys took something. I gave you this and I hope you get something from it. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon.